Hey guys, it's Viv, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different back to school looks for each day of the week, so 5 for Monday through Friday. And before we get started with that, I just want to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers on YouTube. It really means the world to me, and I never thought I would get this far, because I started this like kind of as a hobby, and then I noticed that I wasn't really gaining subscribers, and then like throughout like the years I've started to enjoy making videos more, and I've just been gaining a lot of subscribers, and I'm so thankful for that. And I hit 500, which means like the world. I know that it's like, compared to like a lot of people, it's not like the biggest number, but it's still a lot of people, so thank you so much for that. Also, while we're on the topic of 500 subscribers, I want to let you guys know that I am currently working on making some giveaway prizes for you guys. I'll be holding a 500 subscribers giveaway, well, post 500 subscribers giveaway very soon. I'm gonna be making a lot of cute doll clothes for a couple lucky winners, so yeah, be sure you stay tuned for that. And you also might notice that the studio is looking a little different right now. It's because I'm actually in the middle of like renovating it, I guess you could say, or it's redecorating. So you'll get to see a little sneak peek of that. But once I finish the studio, I will definitely be sure to put that in another video. So starting off with this first outfit, I absolutely love this outfit. I think it's probably my favorite out of the ones I'm going to show you guys. So on top, Paisley is wearing this pastel pink t-shirt that I made, and this will be one of the giveaway prizes. She's wearing these grid printed overalls that I got from my friend Emma, love you bias. And for shoes, she's wearing these Adidas look-alike shoes. They're actually soccer cleats, and I got these from eBay. So this next outfit is a little bit more dressy, but it is still really casual, and I think it'd be good if you had to do like a presentation. So up top, Paisley is wearing this white peplum bustier top that I made, and if like this would be fine for my school, but if your school maybe doesn't allow like you to show this much skin, then you could throw like a cardigan over it. She's wearing these orange like skinny pants from American Girl, and these shoes from American Girl as well. And I love the little orange details. They pull in the pants nicely. Along with the first outfit, I think this is another one of my favorites. So it's really like, it's kind of dressier than the other ones. Like, I think this would be so perfect for the first day of school because it's still casual, but it's actually still like dressy, so you would look really cool for the first day of school. So up top, Paisley is wearing this adorable navy blue cardigan from Cutie Pie Doll Clothing. And she's wearing this red sweetheart neckline romper that I made. And if you want to know how to make rompers just like this, you can watch my tutorial for AG rompers, which will probably be linked up in the top right hand corner with a little card, probably over there somewhere. And she's not wearing shoes because I didn't know what shoes to put with this. Probably I would go with these bad boys right here. These are from Mary Ellen's saddle shoes, or they're Mary Ellen's saddle shoes from her poodle set. This next outfit is a little bit more sporty, but it's so super cute. So up top, Paisley is wearing this cute pink t-shirt that I made. She's wearing this hooded denim jacket that is from American Girl from the Mix and Match collection. I absolutely love this jacket. I think that it's totally like good for like any occasion. I highly recommend it. She's wearing these black leggings that are also made by me, and then for shoes she's wearing these purple Adidas look-alike sneakers from American Girl. This final outfit is really simple and really casual, but I absolutely love it, and I think it'd be perfect for like a casual day at school. So up top, Paisley is wearing this Girl Power white t-shirt, and this shirt, this very shirt is actually available for purchase in my Etsy store, which I will link down in the description box below. It's actually on sale right now, so you should go and pick it up while you can. And then for her bottom, she's wearing these jeggings that are also available in my Etsy store. I will link it in the description box below, so if you want these jeggings and this shirt, you can check out the link. And then for shoes, she's wearing the same orange flats from the previous outfit, and these are from American Girl. So anyways guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, Era After High and Barbie doll videos as well. And yeah, be sure to stay tuned for that giveaway. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next Sunday for a brand new video. Bye!